a 1998 Honda Odyssey 4x4. It has the 2.2 liter 4-cylinder automatic transmission. It also comes with 47,085 original miles. It does come with 4 doors and 1 rear hatch. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles. As y'all can see down here, 75,778. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 47,085. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We will go ahead and start with the driver's side. We are going to the passenger side rear wheel. All right, we are going to the driver's side rear wheel. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for the continual support. Y'all have a safe and blessed day. Thank you.